This year marks a special year for WinWire as we celebrate our 15th anniversary. Since our establishment in 2007, WinWire's journey has been nothing short of exciting. Starting with a small team and core values of people first, technology leadership, and execution excellence, our modest beginnings have given way to significant growth over the years.
Congratulations, WinWire, on completing 15 years. Wow, what a fantastic milestone. And I'm so happy to have joined this organization. It's just my third week here, and I'm already experiencing the fabulous people-first culture that WinWire has. This is a culture which is reflected in every single employee in the organization and all the employee-centric programs that we have.
WinWire today has evolved into a global partner of choice for cloud transformation, application innovation and modernization, as well as data and AI. Reflecting on our journey so far, we would like to express deep gratitude to our valued customers for their trust, support, and continued commitment to us. To our employees, old and new, thank you for the valuable hard work you put in each day. Your commitment to put our customers first and to live to our core values have been integral to WinWire's success. As WinWire celebrates its 15th anniversary, let's toast to our customers, employees, and partners who have helped us grow and transform.
We are a people-first company.
We are a purpose-driven organization.
WinWire is a great place to work.
WinWire is a great place to work.
WinWire is a great place to work.
WinWire is a great